In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook working offline. If Outlook says it's working offline, it won't send or receive new messages even though the app opens just fine. We'll walk through quick checks inside Outlook, confirm your internet connection, and then run a safe repair so Outlook can reconnect smoothly. Start by opening Outlook on your device. Give it a moment to load your mailbox. Now, look for the settings in Outlook. Depending on your layout, this is usually the small gear icon near the top corner of the window. Open Settings, then go to the General section. Within General, find the Offline area. Here you'll see a toggle labeled Enable Offline Email. This switch controls whether Outlook runs in an offline mode. If you need Outlook to connect and sync new emails, make sure this toggle is turned off. If you're traveling or want to work without a connection, you can turn it on intentionally, but to fix the working offline message, switch it off. After changing the toggle, return to your inbox and wait a few moments. You should see the status at the bottom of Outlook change, and new messages should begin to sync. If it still looks stuck, let's confirm that your internet is actually working. Open a web browser and try visiting any reliable website. If the page loads normally, your connection is fine and Outlook should be able to reconnect. If it doesn't load, address your connection first. Connect to Wi-Fi or your network and then return to Outlook to try again. If Outlook continues to show it's offline, the app may need a quick repair. Close Outlook completely so it's not running in the background. Next, open your device's settings. Go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Scroll through the list and locate Outlook. Select it, then choose Advanced Options. In Advanced Options, click Repair. This process checks the app's files and fixes issues without removing your data, accounts, or emails. It usually takes a minute or two. When it's done, reopen Outlook and give it time to reestablish the connection and resync your mailbox. At this point, Outlook should be out of offline mode and functioning normally. To recap, we launched Outlook, used its settings to turn off Enable Offline Email, verified that the internet connection works by loading a website, and, if needed, repaired Outlook from the device's app settings. These steps resolve most cases of Outlook being stuck offline so you can get back to sending and receiving mail without interruption.